Okay, spicy and saucy chicken tenders. We'll dunk it in our sauce. Yup. Boom! Pickle juice. Don't throw it away. Watch this. Okay, so I've got leftover pickle juice. I've done the pickles, but I'm not done the juice. I also have the juice from the banana peppers. I'm not throwing that away either. This out. Take some of this and put it in this. Now take your chicken thighs. I got them right here, okay? We're gonna pop the chicken thighs in that juice and let it marinate. Soak 30 minutes is fine, or until your patience runs out. Plop, plop. Fill it right up, right up. I'm gonna turn that up. I'm gonna give it a little shake-a-rooney, and I'm gonna put it in the fridge 30 minutes, an hour. I'm gonna be making some sweet potato fries with this tonight. I'm also gonna make a nice sweet and hot, or sweet and spicy barbecue sauce with Adobe chili peppers. Oh boy. So anyways, that's done. We're gonna prepare everything else and leave this in the fridge, okay? Okay, we've gotta get our batter ready for these chicken tenders. So, we need lots of flour here. Let's go. 1, 2. I need some over there as well, in the dry, right in here. Okay, should be good. Now, spices. If you check my channel, I've got my KFC imposter spice recipe for all the ingredients that go in this, because that's what I'm gonna put in here, and also in the dry mix. Remember, we're doing 2 coats here of the flour mixture, and it's gotta be spiced right. It's gonna be a wet mixture. I'm gonna add some club soda into that, and then in the dry mixture, we're gonna go wet, dry, wet, dry. Wet your chicken, dry your chicken. Wet your chicken, dry your chicken. Now, what goes in this? Check the recipe, or a little bit of baking magic, boom, boom. A little crispier. Cornstarch, boom, boom. And over there, bam. A pinch of salt, not a punch, boom. Onion powder, 1. Garlic powder, some oregano, paprika, pepper, chili powder for some heat. Ginger. Have to have the thyme. Boom. It's a nice one. Mustard powder. Oh, all day. Boom. And over there. Boom. This one is like a secret ingredient. Celery salt. Boom. Mix it. Okay. That's going to be for our dry, so we want to mix this up. All of our seasonings in there. We need our club soda. A little bit of Canada's finest. I want this thick. One full can. Let's see if that's gonna be okay. I might need a spoon instead of the whisk. I may need more. We might have an uh-oh here. I think I need another can, darn it. Way too thick. 2 cups of flour. Well, it's actually more like 3 cups. There we go, that's better. There's our chicken, remember that? It's been in there for about an hour. So I'm gonna drain this. Let's move this. Let's get a fork. You wanna use the breast, you wanna use the thigh like I'm using. Use whatever you prefer. You can also make chicken nuggets out of these if you wanted to. So these are gonna have pickle flavor, and they're also gonna have hot hot, spicy banana pepper flavor. So chicken tenders here. You can try and trim them a little bit, if possible, or where possible. I'm just gonna cut them lengthwise, okay? So we're gonna have nice strips. Better than you're gonna get at the drive-thru, both flavor-wise and cost-wise, okay? We're handling the raw. We've got the spices out of the way, everything else out of the way. So that's good, we're done with that. I've kept this hand dry, okay? Remember, we're gonna be going wet, dry, so here we go. So wet, dry. So pop these in, the wet. I'm gonna do 3 at a time, okay? And you'll see here, when they come out, keep this hand dry over here for when you go in your flour. So just drip them off a little bit, okay? Got a drip. I'll do 2 at a time over here. And then use your dry hand, cover them over here. This way they won't stick, or I'll say they'll minimize sticking in your hands, okay? Then, grab that back. One more coating in there. One more coating in there. Smooth out your flour. Dunkaroonie. Look how thick these are gonna be. So you wanna drip, okay? You wanna drip. We'll do 1 at a time this time. Flour over, and then pat, shake, just like that, in the tray, good. Dunk. In the dry, don't forget we have another one in there already. Pick it up, shake-a-rooney on the tray. I'm gonna give these a little spray here in the air fryer. Now I need a really big cleanup, sanitization here on aisle 1 because for chicken tenders, we need a nice barbecue sauce. So I'm gonna make a sweet and spicy barbecue sauce, chipotle adobe peppers, cup of Greek yogurt. About that much. Mayo, couple of spoons. A pinch of salt, not a punch. Boom! Okay, we need some garlic in there as well. Garlic in. Boom! Teaspoon of lime juice. Splash of honey. Honey for the money. Now the star of the show. Adobe peppers. Oh, sugar. I gotta go plan B here. Nice adobe peppers. Oh, that's where the hotness comes from. All day, baby, all day. Okay, we gotta mix that up. Just for some added flavor, and because I have it left over, I have some cilantro. So I'm just gonna give this a quick little pulse in there with it, okay? Quality control before you take it out. Let's test it. Nice, thick. Oh, I like it. Let's test it. I've got the hot. Needs a little bit more sweet. When in doubt, hit it with some maple syrup. Let's try that. Just a splash. It's liquid gold right here. Oh yeah. Boom! You drink the sauce, it's not good. Look at that. Oh. We're gonna be dipping those chicken tenders in there. This is gonna be nice. Those are crispy, but they're a little too crispy. Yeah. Darn it. They stuck to my air fryer, even though I Even though I sprayed them, look, this would have been so stuck. I could fake it, but that's the way they are. They stuck. I'm still gonna eat them, don't worry. I'm gonna eat all those. Okay, so check those out, everybody. The spicy, crispy chicken tenders. Flavor, I'm sure, is going to be fantastic. Execution, though, could have been better. It's not that I was lazy with the flour, with the wet, dry. Some of them stuck to my air fryer tray, even though I sprayed it. Check this out. So we didn't deep fry. Like, we're talking, some of them stuck. So, I mean, I'm still going to eat all this. Wow. Okay. I like the fact they're crunchy. We'll try this one. We'll dunk it in our sauce. Oh, that sauce. Yup. Boom! That spice is phenomenal. The flavor here, I'll just try it without it.